Okay. Puffing a bit. Right, we've got the bath out. This is such a bodgy bob. Oh, bodgy bob. She wants to save the toilet, so I need to take that out next. And then I can start stripping out the walls. All this stuff, it's a sheeting. I think they've gone over the tiles as well. She wants this shower thingy-doodle saved. Well, I might just go around it, strip around it, and when Reese comes tomorrow to rough in, we can just turn the water off and cut it straight through it or whatever. Take it out easy. That mirror needs to come out, so I'll have to, I don't know how that'll come out. We'll see. So I'll be starting on the walls and I'll jackhammer up the floor. Okay, I'll see you soon. Ciao. Stay cool till after school. I didn't know it, but I was a poet. Okay, see you everyone. Bye.